This move targets the sides of the cheek. So you'll need a mat, come onto your back, take your feet a little wider than your hips, and flex your feet so your heels dig down into the floor. Now lay flat on your back, take your arms by your side and turn your palms up so that your chest remains open. From here, lift your hips up and squeeze your cheeks. You'll never want to go any higher than your bra line, so keep the rib cage down. Lower the hips all the way down and lift back up. Take 10 full range, hold at the top, swing your hips 20 times, right and left, 20 total, squeezing the right cheek, then the left cheek. And at the end, come back to the center and pulse up, squeezing your cheeks together 20 more times, and then lower all the way down at the end.